4760 for the 2020 Hit Parade Baseball Platinum Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Wednesday, April 7th, 2021. It's 10:24 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:24 p.m. Central Time, and 7:24 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Collects 4 spots, Ed 1, Swap Meet with 1, Turn Dog 1, and Sir with 23 spots. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Collect on top, Sir on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Collects on top, Sir on the bottom. And we have Collects with the Diamondbacks, Sir, Braves, Orioles, Red Sox, Cubs, White Sox, Reds, Indians, Turn Dog, Rockies, Collect Tigers, Sir, Astros, Royals, Angels, Dodgers, Marlins, Collect Brewers, Twins, Swap Meet with the Mets, Sir, Yankees, Athletics, Phillies, Pirates, Padres, Giants, Ed, Mariners, Sir, Cardinals, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Washington. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Sealed on top and bottom. Empty. And we have a Manny Machado rookie auto Topps Chrome. This will go to the Baltimore Orioles. Manny Machado rookie auto. Very nice. Who has the Baltimore Orioles? Sir, 94.55. Congrats on the Manny Machado rookie auto from 47.60 in the 2020 Hit Parade Platinum Baseball card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot and the autograph 8x10 Beckett Slab basketball photo. And up next is 47.79 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Thanks.